How to use Kucoin's future trading. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Kucoin.com, which is a cryptocurrency trading platform, and how you can get started and start trading in the futures market on Kucoin. So let's get into it. Now, it is one of the largest social trading platforms that enables you to invest or trade or just simply save your cryptocurrency, and they are ranked as the #1 altcoin exchange with over 700 coins and 1 trillion accumulated trading volume. So to get started with Kucoin, all you have to do is click on sign up on the top right over here. You're going to sign up with your email or phone, whatever you want. Now, once you have entered your password and your email address, you're just going to complete the verification. And once you have verified it, you're just going to open up your Gmail account over here just to verify that you have entered a legitimate email address. So you're going to copy your verification code, and then you're just going to enter that over here. You're going to click on activate account, and this will complete your registration on Kucoin. So now you can actually go ahead and log on to your account and get started with Kucoin. So you can see over here, just as I have created my account, this is going to be your first page, which is your assets overview in your account. You can see on your top right your account profile, your wallet information, your orders, and your notifications, and then you can choose the currency that you want to be using as the main converter. So over here, you can click on deposit, and then you're going to click on deposit crypto, or you can click on deposit fiat if you don't have any other cryptocurrency wallet previously and you're just going to buy crypto right now. Then you're going to click on deposit fiat, and then you can use any of their payment methods to get started with your journey, or you can click on deposit crypto if you already have a crypto wallet. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on enable futures trading over here. And futures trading is a lot more risky than spot trading. It's a lot different and riskier. So that is why I recommend for anyone that is looking to get started with futures trading to make sure that they have a better understanding of futures trading before they get into it. So what you're going to do is you can expand this over here. You're going to click on over here, click on enable futures trading. And now, just like that, you're going to enter the amount you want to transfer into your futures account. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the futures market over here. So over here, you can take a look at the left over here. You have different features like your cross, dot, your line section. So you can actually go ahead and mark your indicators to better understand the futures graphs. Now, this is the chart for BTC or Bitcoin. You can look at the futures market for any other platform as well, and then you can also go ahead and click on add contract, and you can open up multiple windows at once to see multiple different crypto tokens at one place. So that is totally up to you. Now, I don't recommend opening up multiple different ones because we're trading and we're looking to actually, make a profit, and you can't disturb your focus like that. What you're going to do is you can see over here the basic principle of futures trading basically is that you're going to be betting on the price of a item. So let's say that the current price of BTC is 16.55. I could either bet that the price is going to go up, or I can bet that the price is going to go down. The difference is that I'm betting on the price. Whenever I go ahead and buy Ethereum in the futures market, I'm basically buying it in a virtual way because I'm not going to actually hold any Ethereum. I'm actually just betting on the price of Ethereum, not holding any of the Ethereum themselves. So what you're going to do is you can see on your right side over here, you have the last price. You have this function over here where you can adjust your leverage, and I'm going to explain that in a minute. So let's say that I expect the price crypto to go down. So I'm going to enter the price that I think it will go to. Let's say I think it will go to 1400. Then I can enter the amount of Ethereum I want to bet. And then you can scroll down over here and you can take a look at the input quantity. So what does input quantity actually mean? Input quantity means that whatever funds that you have in your futures account, how much money do you actually want to bet on that? And then after that, you have your leverage. So what is leverage? Now, This is very, very important to understand because leverage is something that could end up liquidating your entire account, and you don't want that. So make sure that you understand leverage. Now, so I entered 2 Ethereum, that's around 2,800 USDT, and let's say I have 10,000 USDT in my futures wallet. So if I add 1x leverage, that basically means that I'm trading that 2,800. And if I lose that trade, or if I make a mistake, like if the trade doesn't go how I anticipated it, and then I would lose that 2,800. But if I leverage this 2 times, that would mean 2,800 multiplied by 2, that would be around 5,000 and something. So I would be trading 2 times the amount of money that I put in. Now, how am I trading that I'm not putting in? I'm basically borrowing money. So leverage means borrowing money, and you can increase the leverage to up to 100 times, but obviously that is not recommended. So if I have a 5x leverage on my $2,800, so I actually risk losing money. So let's say the anticipated price that I put in was 1,400 and the current price is 16. If the price jumps up from 16 to 17, I'm going to automatically get liquidated. My entire account would be liquidated because I put in 5 times the leverage, and the total, whatever is the total money that I had, is still less than the 5 times leverage that I put in, and I made a incorrect trade, and that will lead me to lose money. So then you also have take profit and loss for your control. So this is where you're going to decide if you're shorting this or longing this. Shorting means that I expect the price to go down, and longing means that you expect the price to go up. So I expect the price to go down, and you're going to click on take profit, stop loss of short, and then you're going to click on take profit. Let's say that you think that the price is going to fall down to 1,400, but you want to begin taking profit at 1,550. So you're going to click on take profit at 1,550 over here. So we're going to enter this. So we want to take profit at 1,300, and then you can click on stop loss. So I want to stop the losses at 1440. So whenever the price jumps up from 1440, I want the losses to be stopped. And then you can choose the amount, so the margin, the profit rate. Let's say I want 75% or 15%. You can adjust that to that as well. And then you can click on reduce only. So the order will only reduce your position, and it does not require your margins to be frozen. If the order would increase your position, it would be reduced automatically or cancel. So you can also enable that as well. And then you can go ahead and click on trading password, enter your verification code, and then place your order. Now, once you place your order, you're going to scroll down, you're going to find your order over here, and you can click on limit and then stop as well. So the stopping price can be added over here as well to make sure that you have the minimum amount of losses. Now, on the top of your screen, you're going to see that you have your futures brawl as well. So they have other futures options as well. So you can see you have longing and shorting, and this is basically a game. You can win and earn points, and it's less risky. And then you also have futures bonuses, you have references, and you also have a funding arbitrage. So the arbitrage basically shows you how you're going to be making profits and losses, and you can just select a portfolio, buy that currency in the spot market, and short the corresponding contract with leverage in the arbitrage funding market. So that is another thing that you can do with the Kucoin futures platform. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.